Yeah, now it will print everything. But yeah, can you explain me from the beginning what is actually done for the for loop part only?
Okay. Yeah, it is a loop from 1 to 10, as in the elements are stored in the directory.
Mm-hmm.
And we are storing in the form of a variable by using I variable.
Mm-hmm.
And and uh, and
Okay,
it's yeah.
how you are knowing like till what iteration you should repeat it, like the for loop? How much you should repeat it?
It is dependent on the variable as it is there in the directory.
Okay. So suppose I don't know how much files are there, then which statement gives me that how much file I need to scan in the statements?
Okay.
Line number 30 is deciding like how much length is there for the files, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
if you
Total.
know total how many files are there, till that point only you will run the for loop, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And yeah, okay. So yeah, now save this file and put a debugger at line number 23. Yeah. Now control enter. Don't press that one. Yeah, control enter. Okay, this part only will execute. Okay, it will ask you once you step, it will ask you to select a directory.
Oh,
Step. Okay, so select the directory. Okay, now step. Check the variable status current.
yeah.
If you put your cursor over the current variable, then it will show what is the value over it. No, there only. Yeah, if you go to your script there you have written like current equal to pwd. Yeah,
Okay.
okay, so pwd is the command, it will not show anything to you. Okay, 1 minute. Check the variable like that way. R variable, can you check what is the value?
Okay.
Okay, this is R variable value. Okay, so this is the directory which it is scanning, and next
Mm.
is the directory which it is present on.
Okay.
Okay, which is current, right? And next, if you step again, step one more step,